Here we go. This is a video taken from the site of the former Benzak house, looking out on the 6th green at Apawamis, and the guy's lining up a putt. I'll do a quick pan from here up to the 7th tee to Bobby's house, and panning around back down, and there's some guys walking, and I'll see if I can zoom in on them walking down 7. It's the member guest. There it is, looking, and then back around to the fabulous maintenance facility and the hump that may be coming out, as people have complaining about. And then to continue this video, I'll just continue, and here this is the grape arbor, and sorry, this is going, it'll be a little jerky, but this is the site of the former Benzak house. I don't know how many houses are going to go in here, but it really is a very spectacular piece of property. And they're looking, given the full 360 look. And Stormy had a great time because there were some turkeys up here to chase.